To handle yourself, use your head. To handle others, use your heart. This is our today's theme. Welcome. I am Dr. DR.SANDHU from the Research Incubation for Sustainable Development. From today onward, we are going to start a series of lectures on human resource management. And in today's video, you will learn Introduction to Human Resource Management. Let's move to the topic. So first question comes in our mind is, what is HRM? What is human resource management? Human resource management is actually management of people within organization. There are a lot of people and we have to manage them as per their position, as per their level. Furthermore, every organization has strategic goals and objectives. And without strategic goals and objective, future growth is not possible. And purpose of HRM is to plan things in such a manner that people are giving their best, people are giving their maximum efficiency in order to achieve the targets. So this is all about HRM. And the main line is management of people. Scope of HRM. First one is human resource planning. You are planning to start a new unit, like we are talking about manufacturing sector. So you need human resource. You need general manager. You need managers, assistant managers, supervisors, workers who will complete the task. All planning comes under human resource planning. Then job design and job analysis. Job analysis is the process of noticing, regulating a particular job duties and requirements and the relative importance of these duties for a given job. And it is a process of designing jobs where evaluations are made regarding the data collected, and this actually gives elaborate description about each and every job in the company. Next point is recruitment and selection. As far as recruitment and selection is concerned, it is about collection of information from job analysis, and then company will advertise in the newspaper or the social media the requirement, and it is recruitment process. Company will collect number of applications after advertisement, then interviews will be conducted, and then right candidates will be selected for the company. Recruitment and selection is yet another essential area of human resource management. Then comes orientation and induction. Once employee has been selected, so there is a need of induction, or we can say the orientation program, so as to inform the employee what the culture of organization is prevailing, what are the duties, who are the team players, how organization works. Furthermore, employees are updated about the background of the company, culture, values, norms, ethics, everything which is required. Next point is training and development. We are in the era of 21st century, so there are changes in technology. More and more advanced machinery is coming in the market, and there is a need to upgrade human skill so as to operate the new machines. Employees have to undergo a training program which assists them to put up a better performance on the job. Sometimes this training is focused for current employees, and sometimes this training is concerned or focused for the newcomers. Then comes performance appraisal. Performance appraisal starts in the beginning of the job, like it depends on situation or company requirement. If there is a manufacturing unit and there is a operator, daily production will be monitored and evaluated with respect to the production process, then character, then his behavior with other employees. So all this combo finally be reviewed after 1 year. On the basis of these appraisals, future promotions, incentives, increments, any other benefits will be given to the employee. Then comes compensation planning and remuneration. Under this head, various rules and regulations are taken care. It is solely the duty of human resource department to look into the compensation and remuneration process. Next, features of HRM. Number one, pervasive in nature. It means this culture, this feature is present in all factories. Number two, outcomes. So human resource management is focused for outcomes and not only following the rules. So performance is key to success. Number 3 point, employee potential. This actually helps the employees to develop and groom their skills so as to perform better in their life. People at work, it means teamwork, professional and cordial connections of team members with each other. Once there is a strong team, it will bring strong results. Good production. If there is a strong team, training has been conducted, definitely good production, better performance will be the result. Goal achievement helps company to achieve the goal by facilitating workers and improving their capabilities by training and giving them motivation for future growth. Relationship, very important, and base of relationship is communication. So if there is a better communication culture, there would be better team working and more results. Finally, multidisciplinary activity. There is a importance of knowledge, input drawn from psychology, economics, finance, marketing. The Human Resource Management Department or HRM focus towards people, their training, technology upgradation, and finally getting the result as per the targets and objectives. Thank you very much. I hope today's short video will be helpful to understand the concept of the human resource management. As I mentioned that there are series of lectures and you will be getting more and more topics in near future. Thank you very much and best of luck.